Hello students, I Kamlesh Kumar. Welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel Social Science Academy. We are studying the chapter of history, the impact of British rule on India, in which we have already talked about the impact of British education policy on India. We have also talked some portion of social impact, and today we are going to discuss the introduction of social religious reforms movement. During the 19th century, a social transformation began in India and kindled the uh, spirit of nationalism. So, close contact with Western science, literature, and thought changed the mindset of the masses. In the beginning, only the elite classes were campaigning against discrimination of the some so-called low castes, and but later the lower castes themselves rose against social injustice and evils in the Indian society. So what happened during 19th century, or by the end of the 18th century, when the British education policy was introduced, some Indians got education from that Britishers. They studied Western literature. They came to know about some logical things, and they also attract influenced by their culture, their society. And these educated Indians found that in India there are various socio-religious evils present in Indian society, in religion also, in society also. Like in society there was sati system, child marriage, conditions of widow were very worse. And in religion there were superstition, there were blind faith, and all these things need to be eradicated or need to be reformed. So many educated Indians came forward, and they started some movement. One of the another thing was in Indian society was the caste system. And the Indian caste or the Indian society was based on Varna system: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra. And the history of this Indian society was that the lowest strata of the society, that was the Sudras, were the main deprived section of the society. Their condition was very worse. They were treated like inhuman. So in the beginning of the 19th centuries, only the enlightened and intellectual people came forward to bring reform in those things. But later on, some of the leaders from these lower caste people came forward, and they also started a struggle to bring changes in those society. So many socio religious reform movements spread in different parts of India. Kerala had suffered at the hands of very rigid and oppressive caste system. The social and economic status of a person was determined by his position in the caste hierarchy in Kerala. In the princely estates of Kochi and Travancore, the governmental position were denied to lower caste and non-Hindus. So in Kerala, this untouchability or the discrimination with the lower caste people, it was on its height. So let us see one of the leader, that is known as Sri Narayan Guru. Sri Narayan Guru was a great Hindu saint and social reformer. He was born in Ezava community of Kerala. So it is one of the lower caste community. He campaigned against caste system, untouchability, Brahmin dominance, and discrimination against the lower caste. Sri Narayan Guru constructed alternate temples and propagated for one god, one caste, and one religion. He opposed conversion to other religions as the way to escape from suffering. So, what happened? This Narayan Guru was one of the popular leader of the lower community and belonged to the Ezhava community. There was restrictions in Kerala that the lower caste people cannot enter in temple, and he started to build separate temples for the lower caste people, and he started struggle against the for the right of the lower caste people, and he became one of the popular leader in this Kerala state. So the doors of Guruvayur temple in Kerala was opened for Harijans only in 1946, just before independence. So these are the stories of this social religious reform movement. We will continue this discussion in the next video. So that's all in this video. Keep watching. If you are liking my videos, please smash on like button and subscribe my channel to get the earliest notification of the new videos. Share the videos with your friends so that they can also be benefited. Thanks. Have a nice day. Thank you.